What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lou Bar's Garage. I'm your host Luis, and today we're going to be doing an oil change on the Subaru Forester, and we're also going to be installing this Fumoto F105S drain valve. For those of you that like to change your own oil at home, this is going to save you a lot of time and it's going to help you reduce the mess. We all know that once we take off that plug off of the oil pan, the oil just spills everywhere. And this is a nice, easy flow. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this oil change. Awesome, so now that we wait for the oil to drain, we're gonna go ahead and get our drain valve prepped. Okay, so this is what the valve looks like right here. So obviously this is gonna screw up into your drain pan. And then it does have this little lever right here. So this lever moves up. There you go. And that allows the oil to drain out of this nipple here. And then once you're done, you just go ahead and close it and you're good to go. It also comes with this crush ring, and it also comes with this, I would call it a safety bracket. So basically it goes over the lever, that way it doesn't accidentally get hit while you're out doing whatever, maybe if you're overlanding or something. And that is just an extra layer of protection, that way your lever doesn't get hit and your oil ends up draining. So that's pretty neat that it comes with that safety mechanism as well. What I like to do, guys, is I like to add some gasket maker, put it around the threading. That way, because it's going to be permanent, obviously you're not going to have to take off your old oil drain plug, change out the gaskets, change out the crush rings all the time, right? Every time that you do an oil change. So what I like to do is I like to add some gasket maker around there, because it's going to be permanent until you want to or need to replace it. But from my experience, guys, I actually had this on my Subaru WRX. I had the WRX for about 6 years. I installed this in my very first oil change and I never had any issues. There was never any leaking, there was never anything. The mechanism still worked after that long. That's kind of why I like to add this gasket maker, just to seal it up just even that much more. We're gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, there we go. We got some gasket maker on the threads there. Now let's go ahead and go back under and install. All right, guys, well, that does it for today. We went ahead and changed our oil, and we also installed that Fumoto drain valve. That's gonna help us have better oil changes, less of a spill in the future. So hopefully that was informative to you guys. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe so we can continue to make more content for you. So thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you then, or we'll see you another time.